Good morning, everybody. It is Thanksgiving Day, and today Facebook has informed me and reminded me that 730 days ago was my first day of being unemployed as a full-time real estate investor. On that day, I talked about probably continuing a job routine because I'd been doing a job, having a career for decades. That it was true. That came true. I ended up leasing a desk at a shared office space so that I felt like I had that continued job routine to continue staying in that zone, trying to get work done. Previous to quitting my job, I think the best year that I ever had, I probably added 3 or 4 properties. In 2020, during the pandemic, I added 6 properties and did about 12 deals, some wholesale and wholesale. And then in 2021, I've added 17 properties and done about 20 deals. I've got 2 more under contract, and I'm really hoping that we can get 2 additional under contract to close before the end of the year, just to make a nice round number that I'm trying to hit. A lot of y'all recently saw my rats video right here from a couple of days ago on one of those properties I bought. I've been pretty outspoken against the quote-unquote Predatory Wholeseller Act that was passed here in Oklahoma. I think it's absolutely ridiculous, but then again, maybe I don't understand who the predatory wholesalers are and what they're doing. But those people that I do business with, I don't qualify them as predatory in any way. In fact, we help so many people, we being us that are in that ecosystem of getting that property locked in, purchased, or signed, sold to somebody like me, an investor, and then eventually rehabbed and turned into a really nice rental property for a family, or turned into a flip property for a new family to buy, right? So it's a whole ecosystem, and there's no way we should be labeling those guys at the very front, the wholesalers, as public enemy number 1. Those guys at the very beginning, there's the guys that go into those houses, they spend the money, they do the marketing, they lock up the properties, they get them moved, and all of that is designed to not only put money in our pocketbooks, right? So we have to be able to make a profit to run a business, stay in business, and help people. That's how it works. But the honest truth is those guys will do deals for $0. I know guys that have made like $5 on a deal and spent hundreds of hours trying to get that deal closed because they just wanted to help the seller that was in a bad position. In this case, these people lived in a rat-infested house. Y'all saw it right here on my videos, and that's no way to live or keep a child or a family. So we're glad that we were able to help them out. We being the wholesalers team, and that was the Ogle team, right? So these big wholesalers are going to be coming under fire from OREC, but those are the guys that get to help the most people. Anyways, I've gotten off on a tangent. Loved helping people this year, loved helping other teams and business owners help people as well, and also make Oklahoma beautiful and provide great housing for other families, whether they're moving within state or coming in from out of state because they're running away from their the states that don't work for them anymore. The whole point of this video was to encourage anybody thinking about quitting their day job that's already doing real estate, kind of has their foot in the door and really just scared to make that leap. The whole point of this was to say that it's actually probably going to be easier for you once you're not distracted with your W-2 income to leap forward in real estate. You'll be able to go out and make more connections, do more deals, talk to more sellers. Getting loans from banks here in Oklahoma is not a big deal, especially if you do have a little bit of experience under your belt, possibly already have a couple of rentals or have some history in this business. They lend to people all the time that are unemployed because it's asset-based lending. Obviously, they're still going to look at your credit score, your other assets, and your financial position in general. So don't go to them broke. But if you're just scared to make that leap and think you're not quite ready, reach out to me, talk to me. I'll tell you kind of where I was at and what position I was in, and see if I can encourage you or convince you that you are in the right spot to make that leap. If you are, you might come to me and I might say, man, that's a pretty dangerous spot to be in. I would suggest making these moves before you make the jump. So there's no telling. Everybody's situation is completely different. Thanksgiving Day, I am freezing out here. I don't think my guys are working, So now I've got to figure out what to do with my day. We're not doing dinner until 6 o'clock. So I think I'm going to go and try to send off some marketing and maybe make some more deals.
Eric.
They're trying to convince one of their workers that the weep holes on these vinyl windows are to let the bugs out. He's not sure if he believes them or not. ¿Qué piensas? ¿Es verdad? ¿Sí? ¿Con las cucarachas? Okay. It's the truth. Oh, I can never
¿Está lleno o qué?
¿Y por qué no trabaja Héctor?
Oye,
¿Qué pasó aquí, güey? ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó aquí?
Y esta nomás es para ponerle la hoja doble porque no se vaya la hoja para allá, man.
What do y'all think? Also, we might have copied the neighbor. Oops. ¿Por qué lo pintaron de ese color? Ya hay dos. Dani, fue tu culpa. Sí. Marcos.
Marcos la quería roja.
Roja. ¿Qué color vamos a pintar la puerta?
Marcos.
Azul.
No. ¿Cómo que azul?
Amarilla.
Amarilla, como todo. Yeah. Well, it's been a long Thanksgiving day. I appreciate my guys coming in this morning and staying until a little bit after lunch to get some work done in the house. I didn't actually think they were going to be there working today. I thought they would take the day off. I just got done at the gym, went up to Stillwater, spent Thanksgiving dinner with my parents, and came back down here to Oklahoma City, hit 4-Star Fitness, which is my favorite local gym. It's been a good day. Almost got another house under contract, so hopefully we'll get that locked in tomorrow. We'll make a deal and keep moving this business forward as we move into 2022 and hope to double business next year. So stay tuned. Try to get some more videos out here with better content. Go and check out the rat video, the rat house video, if you haven't seen it already. And don't do it while you're eating lunch. You're not gonna have a good lunch if you do that. It is nasty. All right, see you next video. Bye.